Welcome to lesson 2 of OpenOffice Base. In this lesson, we are going to look at the interface of OpenOffice Base. To open OpenOffice Base, I'm going to go to my start screen, locate my icon for OpenOffice Base, click on it, and when I open OpenOffice Base, the database wizard dialog box appears. And it says, welcome to OpenOffice Database Wizard. Use the database wizard to create a new database, open an existing database or file, or connect to a database stored on a server. What do you want to do? I want to create a new database. So make sure that this radio button is checked, and then I will click on Finish. The next screen or the dialog box asks you to save your database, and you need to give your database a name. Let's say Patients Database. Click on Save, and we have our OpenOffice Base that has opened up to Patients Database. Right on the top, we have our title bar, which contains the name of the file or the name of the database that we're working with. Below that, we have our menu bar with our file, edit, view tabs that are available. And below the menu bar, we have our standard toolbar: save, open, new, etc. Below that, on the left hand side, we have a pane that is called the database list. On the right hand side, we have the pane that is called the task list pane. In this pane, we have all the tasks that we can perform. For example, to create a table in design view, use the wizard to create a table, and create view. And on the right hand side, it gives you a description of what it does, what each option does. For example, create table in design view. The description is create a table by specifying the field names and properties as well as the data types. Below the task list, we have our tables pane. In our database list, we have tables, we have queries, we have forms, and we have reports. If we look at the queries options, again in the tasks, what we can do is we can create a query in design view, use the wizard to create a query, or create a query in SQL view.